Welcome back to the How To University channel. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to delete promotional emails that you no longer want in your inbox. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our Gmail account. We're going to hover over the tab that says promotion. Once you first log in, you'll probably show up to the primary one. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and hover over where it says promotions. You're going to see a little gray pop-ups that shows marketing, interests, social, political causes, and other promotional emails. Once you're here, you're just going to click on that, and it's going to show the top picks. What I typically like to do is sometimes I scroll through it because you never know if there is a promotion that you might want or that you might have signed up for, but I haven't really used this account in a couple of months. So for the sake of the video, we're going to go ahead and select this little square where on the top left where it says select. That's going to select all of the emails within this promotional folder or tab. What we're going to do next is we're going to go over 3 to the trash can and click the button delete. Now that you've clicked that, more promotional material is gonna, pop up because there's still more emails that were under the promotional tab. If you want to continue this process, we're gonna click that square box one more time, click that delete button, and now it's gonna delete a little bit more of those promotions. As you can see in this video, there's a ton of promotions to be deleted. So one more time, so you know how to do it, we're gonna click the top box that says select, hover over the 2 that are here, head to the one that says delete, hit delete, and now those promotions are deleted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to learn more, and we'll see you in the next one.